Is VP Patazone Mkobie. So today I'm going to plug you in with this Roch deep freezer. I'm a chest freezer if you would like to call it that. Okay, it's a 180 liter chest freezer rated at 1 star in energy saving, so it's energy efficient, it saves energy. Comes with a cool pack inside it, keeps the things inside the freezer cold for a while before after electricity has gone, sorry. So yeah, it is guaranteeing you to keep things cold for a while. Yeah, so electricity hata ikipotea kiasi, at least you will have something that will keep your items in the freezer cold until the electricity issue is fixed. So here, this one is going for 36,800, like I've said. It's a very big 180 liters rated at 1 star. Yeah, so you can get this one right here at Patazone. Thank you for shopping with us at Patazone.